Hello guys, kain tayo. So, it's the weekend guys. So, ang gagawin natin is magbe-breakfast muna tayo at kagagaling ko lang guys ng breakfast. Breakfast. Kagagaling ko lang. Antok na ako guys. So, kagagaling lang natin ng night shift. So, this is what I eat on breakfast time. So, isang bread lang guys para mag-lose weight tayo kasi tumaba tayo but things are getting better guys. Pumapayat na tayo. Hindi naman ako tumaba but I'm happy there's a progress because I don't eat rice that much and I just eat bread and of course yung kain ko na is sa gawin na guys. And of course I do a lot of exercise. And kasama na dyan guys yung TikTok, pati mga dancing natin, pati yung mga gym exercise natin guys. So ginagawa din natin yan para hindi tayo tumaba ng tuluyan guys. And we're not getting any younger. So I just eat one loaf bread and of course less rice and exercise guys. So itong kakainin ko sa umaga. So nang hindi tayo tumaba at bawasan lang natin yung pagkain ng rice kasi tayo mga Pilipinas we really hook up sa pagkain ng maraming rice. Kahit konting ulam basta matakaw tayo sa rice. Ngayon iniwasan natin guys. Kasi pagka close to 50 ka na, after I'll be turning 50 sa December. So, yan ang dapat natin iwasan na yung pagkain ng maraming rice kasi nagiging glucose yan and sugar is not good for your body. More on protein diet tayo ngayon guys. I eat a lot of meat, of course fish. They also said that you should always include fruits and vegetables on your diet guys every week so that you'll have some healthy stuff in your body. And of course guys, I make sure that I always drink apple cider guys. It's really helpful to me. I've been drinking this for the past 5 years or more than, and it helps me with my leg cramps, and this is also good for losing weight guys. And of course sabi nila you just need to brush your teeth kasi nakakasira daw to ng enamel, but in terms of health benefits maganda po ang apple cider. So once a day, even you drink this with empty stomach or maybe if you had a meal then you can have it. Super healthy guys. Okay, have a good day and happy weekend guys. Bye bye.